What's happening, iPhone Pandas? Picked up this other Tozo case. Got a bunch of Tozo stuff, so I really liked it, and so I feel pretty comfortable buying their stuff. It says it's a precise cutout, high quality. Here's the case itself. Comes with some tips, and you remove this piece in here, and then it looks like we have a protector on the inside and the outside. So you peel off. Oh, just on the outside, or the inside. So you peel that off, and what you have here is a clear backing. Now, I want to try to zoom in on this and see if I can show it to you, but I've kind of I figured out what this is. So if I put my hand behind it, you see we have like these little tiny etched dots on the back. You have this little dot matrix pattern, and you can feel them. I don't know if you can hear them, but basically what that prevents is plastic laying down and kind of adhering to the back of your iPhone. So the back is glass, and so this prevents anything, resembling like an air bubble. I don't think they're air bubbles. I think they're actually the opposite, right? It's like when your clothes get wet and they kind of cling to your body. This plastic can do that to the glass, and so these little air pockets prevent that. It gives it a nice, clean, even look. Now, it gives it on this side, what you don't feel are those little bumps. They're all done on the inside, and so you get a nice, clean look, clear look on the back. So this is for the iPhone X, which I have here, and so what you'll get is if I put it on here, oh man, it just snaps right on there. We don't get those adhesion splotches on the back, right? Even up here on the logo, right? Those little etchings prevent that. So you get a nice clean look. Man, that looks great. And what you get on this case is this, I don't know how they do it, this like molded in silver foil edge. I've got fingerprints on it, and so we have a molded in button here, and so you have like a bumper look, but there is no seam to it at all. And then molded in buttons there, obviously cutouts for speakers and microphone. And then as you can see here on the camera housing, you also have a nice little silver raised edge which matches the camera housing itself, but also provides some additional protection. So man, that looks beautiful. You get to show off your iPhone, even if you have the X in the black back. This is going to look great on any color, but I really wanted to be able to show off the color of the iPhone. So beautiful, right? That's pretty nice. Check this out. I'll put a link to this Tozo case for the iPhone X, and I think for the XS. I think physically they're the same size, so you should be able to use them for both in the description below. Peter von Panda out.